Okay guys, first time I think I'm making this vlog, but just I thought like हर बार she makes the vlog, why not? Actually vlog का था नहीं, but I was planning to surprise her. She is at her native and she is coming back like today or tomorrow, whatever. Like it's like 12 a.m. at night. She's coming in the morning 5 a.m. So she left. I thought, okay, because it was early morning, so I was planning since 2 days. So instead of like I was thinking what to do, it's so early, can be like it is not safe to have so early traveling through train, local trains, and though Mumbai is safe, but then still better be safe. So then other option is obviously cab is always there. But then okay, she's like conservative. Why should we spend money? Okay then. Okay, you do train. Then okay, I thought because it is not possible for me to reach so early at 5 a.m. So because last time also I thought about it, but I am not able to do it because place where I stay, I just can't catch a train to reach at this time when the train comes, so that I can receive her on time. So I thought of okay, this time let's go early one night at maybe last train, or I tried to take one train or some little bit early, but due to some shores I was not able to, and fortunately I was able to get the last train, and now I am at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus. It's okay. I think due to battery issue I said I'm not able to continuously vlog. It just got disconnected in between. I have got 15% battery left, so I'll conserve. I'll stay here tonight. This is for you, Sony, my Sakhi. So let's see her reaction tomorrow. Yeah, that is one of the reasons I hope so. I remember to make a video of the reaction if I don't forget it, because this is pretty new. I do forget every time to make videos or anything, capture moments. So let's see tomorrow, guys. So I was able to charge at least a bit of my mobile, around I think it's currently 25% itself, and there is a charging point in the station, but I believe the police are not, due to security reasons, they are not allowing to charge after 12 or maybe 1, but I came, they are not allowing till 4 a.m. in the morning. People are still connecting as they get the chance, but then police are allowing. Between that time I was able to charge it to 25%. I don't want to sleep. In case I'll miss in morning, I'll get a deep sleep. So I'm trying to be awake. So I got up from there. Now I am outside of the CS, not from the premises, but from the platform I'm outside. And just going outside, let's see what's there tonight. So let's start, I'll show you. I don't know she will include this in her video or not, but I'm making this video anyway, just for my fulfill. So there are some things happening here, like the fishermen's coolie women are awaiting because they get fishes from the port from early morning, so that they can deliver throughout Mumbai. There are some food spots like Burji Pav, Anda Pav, chai, sutta, everything is there. Mostly I can see boys. Females I cannot see. There are some ladies, like old ladies, like I said, fishermen, coolie women, so they are there. But any young or so I should be safe for, like they should be, ladies should be on lookout, should be vigilant. But overall things are happening, like taxis are there. It's not completely sunsan from Mumbai point of view, because this is complete busy place. This is not the front side of Mumbai CST, but this is the main gate. Okay, so the viewpoint, usually when you see CST, that viewpoint is the other side. Let's see, we'll go there also. What's happening there? We'll see the BMC point of view. I think the lights, the building lights, decoration lights are off. So let's see what's there. Okay guys, I am at the view. I can't show you because I am stuck at this side on the footpath. But this is the viewpoint of CST. Like just beside, outside the platform 1 gate. So I thought it will not be safe for ladies at this point of time, because usually at night at near platform 1 I have seen previously hookahs, girls roaming around. But at this point I can see like regular travelers, passengers, even girls are there. So I think it is pretty, at this side at least I can see like, and there are police also. Police obviously, at every point you will find cops stationed, so immediately you can call. So from that perspective I felt it pretty safe, because I can feel the vibe whenever I go somewhere that it is very unsafe or safe. So here I can see safe and spirited, because specifically I can see families waiting for something, for cab or something happening. This is at 2 a.m. in night. Okay, so this is at 2 a.m. in night. So from that point of view it is pretty good. So I'll connect you again. I'll check how is it at 3 a.m. I thought making these videos continuously would keep me awake, so that is also a plus point. And I'll just like to roam at night. I like the night time because so much hustle and bustle. We see day everything happens, but then night we assume everything is quiet, and that's not the case. At each hour, each minute there is something happening, right? At 2 a.m., 3 a.m. in night, and then again at 4 a.m. everything starts picking up. So I think I have seen milkmen's, milk vans and newspapers starting at early morning, but this time I have first time like seen at 2 a.m. also in Mumbai, because usually at this time I have visited Mumbai, we would be in Nariman Point or somewhere like that, so where many people are there waiting for the trains are down, they just enjoy the view and then they roam. And then CST I never came at this time, so here also things are happening. Yes, that's it pretty much right now. Okay guys, I did forget, this is Ramzan month, so I think most of the crowd here is go for there to Muhammad Ali Road. I don't know, I do want to walk all the way down there, and specifically I don't want to enjoy it without my half. So Sony, I will go together Muhammad Ali Road, maybe if not possible this year, maybe next year or somewhere again. That's not a thing issue. But let's say I'll walk there, I'll not eat something, but at least I can walk if possible, because I have time. And it's good, I like night time. After such a long time, like I'm alone, it is pretty I used to think, I still think it's pretty difficult for me to go alone at somewhere where I like. This gave me an opportunity, I didn't thought of it. I was thinking I'll take a sleeping pod which is there in CST itself, but I was thinking I'll come early, I'll take a sleeping pod. Sleeping pod cost around 400 or I think 500 plus GSTs for around 6 hours. So I don't think it is pretty fair price, but then from Mumbai and from CST point of view I felt it's okay. Like, it's right in the station, and I think it's a private facility, so I didn't go there inside, but I think it would be pretty good. That's what I can guess from outside. It's AC dormitory basically. Okay, so I was saying about the sleeping dormitory, but I thought why to go there and waste money, I'll sleep, just wait outside. And because I was planning a bit early, now it's a bit late, so I don't want to risk sleeping my way right at the time. So I decided to stay awake. I was not planning to go to Muhammad Ali Road, otherwise I would have dropped out, get down at Masjid Road. There it is pretty close, I have to walk far from CST. But since I didn't go to dormitory, I decided to stay there, and even police are continuously roaming, asking not to sleep, so I cannot sleep there also or lie down. I have to continuously sleep. So I got up, I came out, let's see what outside. Then I saw people going towards Muhammad Ali Road. Okay, let's see, why not? Let's go. At least I do not plan right now to have anything. Or on the other count, maybe I can get something parcel. This way, even Sony you can eat. So, okay. This is pretty good, like talking to yourself in front of camera to people. Like currently I don't even know anyone will watch this, and that's a good thing. Because you'll be pretty free. When you know someone is watching, someone will watch. So it's pretty conscious. So it's like you want to say something to people. Usually people don't listen. Well, this first vlog I felt I wanted to make something, because I don't usually keep a diary or log. So I was thinking of something. this can be a way to start it. I got inspired from my wife, seeing her videos. So let's see if I'll be able to continue. I don't know. If not, this part of the video will be cut out. Otherwise, okay, this part of video will be cut out right now. Maybe after some time, I'll re-edit it, put it back and include it. So anyway, this is for me. It is smelling fishy here. Fishy in the sense, smell of the fish. Not the fishy. But yeah, just I left the station road and now I'm entering towards the Crawford Market area. So here it's a bit silence. So it's not safe if any girls are there. I'm walking from the CST side. Maybe if you come outside and cross the bridge from that side, I prefer you go from that side where people are there. Like sometimes it's like you have to be aware which streets you are walking alone tonight. So this street, at least it is free. This is not okay. I mean, this street is not completely hustle or everything is there. It's like okay, I can see police here at the station. For security reasons, I will not. So I don't think it won't matter much, but distance. But police is there stationed here. And I think so from here onwards, proper, I should be close enough to Muhammad Ali Road. So guys, I have almost reached Muhammad Ali Road. I'm currently at this Manish Market. Yes, this is Manish Market. So here, currently at Manish Market, as you saw earlier, there are like fishes, crates of fishes are being loading up. This is right now at 2 a.m. in the morning, okay. So there I could see crates, tempos loading them up for distribution. That's a regular activity of every day. And this street is currently what it looks during Ramadan month. So that was मोहम्मद अली रोड. इतना भीड़ मतलब लास्ट टाइम मैं आया था, एक ही बार आया हूँ. बट वो हम लोग लाइक 8-9 बजे 10 बजे 11 बजे रात के उस वक्त है. अभी 2 AM इट इज़ टू मच ऑफ भीड़, ज़्यादा ही रश है. इतना ज़्यादा मतलब चल ही नहीं पा रहे थे. इट्स लाइक भीड़ की ट्रेन, भीड़ की नदी, उसमें बहना है बस. भीड़ लेके जाएगी वापस. वॉज रियली आई वुड से not what kind of what I had expected to be, and it's like इतनी गर्मी जैसे मधुमक्खी का छत्ता होता है ना, तो मधुमक्खी का छत्ता होता है, तो सब एक दूसरे को घिस के गर्मी जो पैदा करते हैं छत्ते के अंदर, सो दैट शहद बन सके. सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग, लाइक एवरीवन सो क्लोज टुगेदर. इट वॉज टू मच हॉट एंड स्वेटी एज मुंबई क्लाइमेट. एंड इस साल तो मुझे लगता है होली के पहले से ही गर्मी स्टार्ट हो गई है मुंबई में. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. यूजुअली आफ्टर होली इट स्टार्ट्स getting heat. Right now it's early. Summers have arrived early in Mumbai, and this is while in north they are quite cold yet. Like there is a cold wave. So strange climates happening. So anyway, so there were a lot of activities apart from Ramadan, usual Ramadan activities. Mostly I could see the fish market, and while I was going, the fish market was closed. It was 2 a.m. and now returning. So now returning it is 3:28, so 1.5 hours. Yeah. So I couldn't control after seeing the coconut cream, and then I thought, okay, Sony doesn't like anyway coconut cream based, anything coconut cream based. So then I didn't feel any guilt while having it, so I had it, and I couldn't save it because it was with ice cream. I cannot keep it so that at least you can taste. So then next I straight away went towards Mawa Rabdi Jalebi, Burhanpur Jalebi or something with Rabdi. So because last time we had, she liked it extremely. I got it immediately, first thing, got it packed, parcel. And second thing, of course, she is like not a sweet tooth, she is like has a spicy tooth. So I cannot complete it without any spicy thing. So I took malai. It's not spicy, but anyway, malai chicken tikka, because I didn't want to take any risks. Well, last time we had it, I'm not a non-veg fan, but my wife, she's a super non-veg fan. So but even she didn't like much of the non-veg, so I wanted to go safe. So I went with the malai chicken tikka. I could have opted for just like regular chicken tikka, the red one, but I didn't know. I wanted to be safe. I felt that was the safer option. So let's see. It's 3:30. I think she must have reached Kalyan now. I'm thinking, what should I do? Like, I should have waited at CST itself, or there is another option. I have to see the trains if I can match the times. So by the time the train reaches Dadar, like I can get a train from here to Dadar, and I can get in the same train, in the same bogie, and before it reaches CST, I can surprise her. That would be quite a reaction. I'll check what are the train times. So I'm reaching back. Okay, some of the gates are open. I'll go from the front gate. I want to see the area there, what's happening there. So I'll enter from platform number 1 itself, but from the front gate. So almost there. It was quite a walk. Yeah, and after that I had Mohabbat Sharbat, watermelon shake at the end. Again, I couldn't take all this because she liked watermelon shake last time, but I cannot take it because it's cold and then it won't have the temperature at least. So I couldn't get Mohabbat Sharbat. This is it. I'm not throwing it. I want to throw in the dustbin. So even that I cannot take it with me because it won't be chilled. So it won't be enjoyable without that. Okay, the front gate is still closed. I don't know, the gates behind, the small gates were open for platform 1, and the big regular gate just besides front of subway, it's closed. So I'll have to go all the way around from the gate, main gate where I came out. Okay, I'm back. It's 1.5 hours now. I did spend quite time there. So this was like quite unexpected, on the spot planning, impromptu. And I used to miss this. So I missed this impromptu planning. Like I kind of this sudden changes. You don't know what you want to do something, and then suddenly everything falls into place. So I didn't plan to make this video. I just decided, okay, let's make this video. And when I started to make it, I didn't think it would be quite this journey, a complete video. I thought maybe she can include it in her video. Still she can, but I didn't thought this would be so much of content. And the best thing, after so much time, I like this kind of impromptu planning. Just doing it, I don't know, everything happens, falls into place. So I have to spend 1.5 hours now charging back to 15-16%. I'll see, I should be able to charge now. So see you now. Let's see a reaction. I'll wait.